Welcome back to another video. In this one I'm going to be testing out to see whether these dust extraction systems really do work or whether they're just a bit of a gimmick. So stick around to find out. So you can probably see from around me just been cutting up a load of logs with a chainsaw, and I've made loads of sawdust, shaving, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to vac it all up and test to see whether this system is actually effective, whether it's more of a gimmick. To make this a fair test, first I'm going to empty out both the vac and the bucket. So there's the bucket. The vac's basically empty. In case you don't know with these setups, basically what they are is you attach this Cyclone to your shop vac and then a hose to this, which is here, and then the idea is that the dust gets fired down into your collection bucket, and therefore only the air then travels through your vac to the filter. And that way it means you can empty this bucket rather than having to empty your small shop vac all the time and letting the filter clog up. So let me get this emptied and then we'll vac all this up and we'll see what's collected in here and what's collected in the shop vac. Oh, it's a bit dusty. So you can see from that other than a bit of dust, that's completely empty now. So I'm going to reconnect this lid and then I'm going to vacuum everything on the floor, and we'll see how much this collects and how much this collects. That's vac thoroughly enough for this test. So let's have a look to see what the vac collected and what the dust extractor collected. So first up the vac. There's not a single drop in that. Tiny bit of dust. Which means we all know what's coming next. Whoa. Yeah, that is full. And not one single drop of that went into there, and the filter's not all clogged up, whereas if I'd have vac that with just the Karcher shop vac, that filter would have been, well, I wouldn't have done all that without having to clean the filter. So yeah, I think we can officially say these cheap and cheerful dust extraction Cyclone things definitely work. Could probably do with a little bit of a bigger bucket, but yeah, success. If you want to make your own one of these, it comes as a bucket and a Cyclone collector. That was about £15, that was about 10, so for about £25 you can make one of these, and it makes life so much easier, especially if you're doing a lot of woodworking. Like this was an extreme amount of like chip-ins, but like if you were just like doing a little bit of woodwork, you could go weeks without emptying this, whereas those shop vacs do one project and you need to empty it pretty much, or at least clean the filter. So yeah, I'll link the items down below for an Amazon link. Thank you as always for watching. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any future videos, and I'll see you in the next one.